guess. I thought I'd go ahead and roll over where I'm at with it currently. T-bone front bumper. I relocated the ESC down onto the chassis to get a little more clearance. Rerouted the wires, make them a little cleaner. It's got the Traxxas cordless all steel ball bearing servo out of a UDR. Extra cooling fan on the motor. I got a spare plug on the back here. See it just right there, so I can plug lights in when I want to. I run the Vant 7600 mAh 75C 3 cells currently. Been having good luck with them. It's the biggest battery that'll fit in my boat. Works on everything else too. What else? Let's see. We got RPM front arms, RPM rear arms. I had to replace the chassis once. Totally my fault. What else? Front C-hubs have been replaced, and they're going to need to be replaced again. I went back.
Also relocated the switch down onto the chassis next to the ESC. A little easier to reach it with the cover on. Little hot tip for these wings on these bodies. Velcro. See the Velcro tabs? Yeah. And then Velcro on the chassis. And it's kept the body in good shape. So, today the Typhon's gonna do something new for you. We're gonna break out the mega ramp.